Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Packing when you move can be such a pain, but I found the secret to a smoother transition. And something I wish that I had had in the over 25 times that I've moved are these bags from Dntorx. I got these recently for a friend who's moving. A total bonus is that these are waterproof. There's nothing worse than moving with cardboard boxes and them getting wet and soggy and falling apart in the rain. And it was so convenient to be able just to empty out her linen closet, stuffed animals from her daughter's room, and even a bunch of shoes into these bags. Notice when we take them out of her van into her new home, the handle on the side is extremely helpful for pulling them out. And then you can use the main straps just to hold them or even put them over your shoulder. Now, I found that these could hold heavy items and the seams hold tight. We even put things with sharp edges like boxes that hold toys or puzzles, and it didn't break through the plastic. The ones that I got hold 90 liters. They're clear plastic, which is awesome because then you can just look kind of on the sides to see what's inside. Do yourself a favor and get several of these packs for your next move or for storage. And that's my point of view.